Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to suspend the screen in Windows 11. Chapter 1. Sleep Screen Windows 11 from Power Options. To start, enter Control in the search box. Open the Control panel. Here, click on Hardware and Sound. After that, click on Power Options. Now click on Choose what the power button does. After that, in the various options, select Sleep. Click Save Changes. Chapter 2. Sleep Screen Windows 11 from Settings. To begin, click Start, select Settings. Then in System, click on Power. After this, click on Screen and Sleep. Here, in the Screen Off option, set values between 1 to 3 minutes. Chapter 3. Sleep Screen Windows 11 using keyboard. To use this method, on your keyboard, combine the Alt plus F4 keys. In the pop-up window, select Sleep, click OK. Chapter 4. Sleep Screen Windows 11 from Start menu. To start, click on the Start menu, then click on the Shutdown button. Here, you can click Sleep. Chapter 5. Sleep Screen Windows 11 from Start context menu. To start, right-click on the Start menu. After that, click on Shutdown or Sign Out, then select Sleep. Chapter 6. Sleep Screen Windows 11 from Shortcut. For this method, right-click on the desktop, then select New and click on Shortcut. Now enter the command on the screen. After that, click Next and assign a name. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. To suspend the screen, double-click on this shortcut. Chapter 7. Sleep Screen Windows 11 using key combination. To start, right-click on the access created previously. Click on Properties. Here in the Shortcut tab, click on the Shortcut key field. After that, press the desired keys so that they are taken automatically. Click Apply and OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.